We will again started with the chapter number 1, Human Geography, Nature and Scope, so that who were not attending the regular classes, they were also able to understand the basic concept of human geography. Right? As you know, the geography. First, what is geography? Geography means it is combination of two words. First is geo and the second is graphos. Right? Geo means the earth and graphos means to describe. Right? So the description of the earth as a whole is known as, or the we studied it in geography. Everything which is found on the over the surface of the earth, that is studied in the subject geography. Right? That is the very basic definition of geography. Now geography have two branches. First of all, you must familiar with the concept we will going to learn in this year. Geography have two branches. First is physical geography and second is human geography. What is physical geography? As its name suggests, every element which is related to the physical environment. It is related to the physical environment. Every element which is related to the physical environment, that is considered in physical geography. Like in our previous year geography, we read about the earth, the moon, every planet, climate over the surface of the earth, soil, which type of soil are found over the surface of the earth, landforms, different landforms, atmosphere, everything which is created by the nature, we learned about in physical geography. Okay, so the content is related to the physical environment. The second branch of human geography is human geography, that is related to the human beings. Human beings and the things created by the human beings. जो भी चीजें ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ने बनाई है या ह्यूमन बीइंग्स जो अर्थ सरफेस पे रहते हैं, उसके बारे में कंप्लीट स्टडी है, we studied in human geography. Like population, distribution of population, density of population, which type of population lives in particular areas, what are the reasons behind it, right? The transportation system which is developed by the human beings. Now, human settlements, which type of human settlements are found over the surface of the earth, right? So, human composition, population composition जिसको हम कहते हैं, population composition, ये सारी चीजें, human development, all these elements are included in human geography. And in your +2 standard, you will learn about the human geography. So, our area to study is human geography this time basically. ठीक है, हम फिजिकल फीचर्स के बारे में नहीं पढ़ेंगे इसमें, हम किसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे? ह्यूमन, राइट? तो ह्यूमन geography, अब सबसे पहले इसको पढ़ने से पहले हम इसका हमारा चैप्टर भी जो है एक इंट्रोडक्टरी चैप्टर है, नेचर एंड स्कोप ऑफ द ह्यूमन geography, राइट? तो ह्यूमन geography, first of all, geography is very expensive subject. It includes physical features as well as human-made features also. Right? Human physical geography studies about the physical features like mountains, plateaus, plains, different landforms, climate, all that, soil, water, everything. Right? Human geography is related to the elements made by the human beings like buildings, roads, transportation system, bridges, factories, right? Settlements, everything which is created by the human beings that includes in the human geography. So each and every element which sustained in our life, in short, we can say every element which sustained our life is the subject matter of human geography, because it is related to the human beings. So each and every element which is related to the human beings and essential for the livelihood of the human beings, that is considered in human geography. Now the question is that human geography is a descriptive subject, or making laws, or theorizing. Means geography is based upon whether geography is based upon making laws or theories, or it can be descriptive. In the 11th standard, we saw that we make some theories about the origin of the earth, evolution of the earth, moon, planets, sun, everything, है ना? But these theories were based upon some facts, evidences, है ना? यानी कि हमें जो भी आया हमने इसको बना दिया, theory बना दिया. These theories are based upon some particular facts and evidences, like distribution of oceans and continents, है ना? So it is also included making laws and theories based on some facts and evidences, and on the other hand it is also descriptive, how these works, how it is going on, how what was happened in the past, all was described in this also. जी मैं what तीन क्वेश्चन हमने किए थे, what, where and why, है ना? So all these three questions are answered in the geography, which is related to the descriptive aspect of the geography. So we can't limit the geography, any one of them. Both are essential to study the geography, and these two elements make the geography as a wider subject, as a science subject. Clear? Now we include some terms. Some geographers have some questions, or some students have some questions, that it is based on regional approach or systematic. There are two approaches in geography. We studied in detail in 11th standard. Regional means that is related to region. When we study a particular element related to any region, right? This region can be a world, a continent, a country, a state, or a part of it, or district, or a village, or any part of it, right? Region can be bigger or smaller. कोई भी रीजन जिसके बारे में हम इसकी पूरी होल स्टडी करेंगे, सभी जो है all the elements are studied in this approach. We take a region and all the elements, like we are studying about our Gharaunda region, we will study about the population, which type of population is living here, what is the transportation system of the Gharaunda, what type of soil is found in Gharaunda, which type of areas, yani surface, plain area, mountain areas, whatever What is the agriculture type of Gharaunda? Every element we read about if any region, that is known as regional approach. Second is systematic approach. Systematic approach, when we go through with the system, we go through with step by step. When we study one particular element, one or two, इसमें हम सभी एलिमेंट्स नहीं पढ़ेंगे, इसमें हम क्या करते हैं, पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट को स्टडी करते हैं एज अ होल. As a whole means throughout the world. When we studied an element throughout the world, like climate. Climate, which type of climate is found throughout the world, different climatic regions, what are the reasons behind the distribution of climatic regions. Then we are going through the systematic approach. So there are two ways in which we can study the geography. First is regional, in which we take a region and go through with all the elements related to that region. Second is systematic, when we take the whole world and go through with the particular element that exists on it. Right? Now, as you go through the chapters, you will notice that some keywords are used for particular things in geography, है ना? तो हम क्या करते हैं कि कुछ पर्टिकुलर एब्रिविएशंस का हम इसमें यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि हमारा है फेस ऑफ द अर्थ, जो हम ग्लोब को हम यूज करते हैं उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, फेस ऑफ द अर्थ. सब पर्टिकुलर वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड फॉर द पर्टिकुलर क्राइटेरिया. साइक्लोन्स का जो हमारा सेंटर पॉइंट होता है दैट इज नोन एज आई. राइट? तो ये चीज है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम, the name given to the transportation system is arteries of a country, like that. Some other are also like state or country, they are described as a living organisms, right? So these are known as some of the key words which are used to define some special terms or expressions. Right? Now come to the main point. At a different time, different geographers gave the different definition of geography. So definitions of geography which are given by some scholars. First definition is given by Red. According to the Red, human geography is the synthetic study. Human geography is a synthetic study of relationship between human beings and earth surface. Human societies and the earth's surface. ये definitions जो है वो हमें पढ़ना क्यों जरूरी है? Time to time some other aspects are included in the geography. So this definition or the criteria of geography is going to be changed according to the time. So first definition is given by the Red. According to the Red, human geography is the synthetic study of relationship between human societies and the earth surface. कि हम इसमें क्या करते हैं, जो ह्यूमन सोसाइटी है यानी ह्यूमन बीइंग जो अर्थ सरफेस पे रहते हैं उसका अर्थ सरफेस के साथ क्या रिलेशनशिप है. क्योंकि जब भी हम कोई ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सिस्टम डेवलप कर रहे हैं, एग्रीकल्चर कर रहे हैं, माइनिंग प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं, वी आर यूजिंग द अर्थ सरफेस, है ना. सो वी आर कॉन्टैक्टिंग विद the earth surface. So relationship between human society and the Earth's surface is the subject matter of human geography according to the red cell. So it will be included the words synthetic study. Right. The next definition given by the Allen C. Semple. Allen C. Semple. According to him, human geography is the study of the changing relationship changing relationship between the unresting man and the unstable earth. अब आपने 11th standard में पढ़ा our earth is not stable, it's keep on changing, right? So our earth is unstable. Similarly, the man is also unresting because in the primitive society the man is living in a primitive culture where there is no agriculture, there is no shelter, there is no clothing. They use the natural resources for their clothing, shelter and food habits. But as we go through with the nature, we are keep using the nature and changing our culture. So the man is also unresting. So the basic idea behind the LNC sample definition is changing relationship. Changing relationship means the relationship between the man and the earth is keep on changing. पहले जो है मैन सिर्फ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज पर डिपेंड था, जैसे जैसे उसने नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को यूज करना शुरू किया उसका क्या होना शुरू हो गया, उसकी डेवलपमेंट में चेंजेस आना शुरू हो गए. So the second definition is given by the Allen C. Semple, and the basic thing behind this definition is dynamism. Dynamism. ठीक है? Dynamism. Changing process sheet. The third is widening large. The third definition. All these definitions are very important from the CBSE point of view. That can be asked in 1 or 3 marks question. So third is wider D large. Now what he says, conception resulting from a more synthetic knowledge of the physical laws governing our earth you can write down or take a screenshot of these concepts and the relations between the living beings which inhabit it. Now he included the new word that is conception. मीन्स ज्योग्राफी में हम वो सारे कंसेप्ट पढ़ते हैं, यानी उन सभी कंसेप्ट के बारे में ये हमें नॉलेज देता है जो हमारे लाइफ को क्या करते हैं, इफेक्ट करते हैं। अब वो कैसे कि जो फिजिकल लॉज दैट गवर्न आवर अर्थ, मींस द अर्थ रोटेट ऑन इट्स एक्सिस एंड revolve around the sun, है ना, which makes day and night and the different seasons and the different seasonal patterns govern our agriculture pattern, right? So physical laws like revolution of the earth governs our agriculture pattern. So this relationship gives the result, gives the concept of agriculture. So this is studied in geography, right? So these are three major definitions, important definitions, which you have to note down and learn. Now come to the what is the nature of geography. Geography में हम पढ़ते क्या क्या हैं ना. So the next question is nature of geography. अभी आपने देखा कि जो हमने तीनों डेफिनेशन देखी उसमें एक चीज कॉमन थी, दैट वाज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, right? So the nature of the geography or the subject matter of the geography is to study about the relationship between the physical environment and human beings, right? So physical environment, अब physical environment में हम किन किन चीजों को include करते हैं? So the elements of physical geography फिजिकल ज्योग्राफी के एलिमेंट्स हमारे पास क्या क्या हैं, जैसे कि सोयल, क्लाइमेट, ओशंस, लैंडफॉर्म्स, planets, all these are included as the elements of physical geography. Water, natural vegetation, wildlife, etc. All the features which are created by the nature is known as the elements of physical geography. And these elements have a great impact on the human beings. And human beings use these elements and create some features. So we studied about the human-made features or human-made elements like buildings, roads, population, agriculture, transportation, trade, manufacturing units हैं हमारे, all etc. All these are created by human beings. So the nature of human geography is a relationship or the study the elements which are provided by the physical environment and which have the great impact on the human beings, which are known as the human-made elements. Now, to make these elements, human beings use the natural environment, no doubt. But natural environment in our ancient time. But as we keep using the natural resources, we have a great imprint on the nature also. We have controlled the nature to a great extent by using the technology and the skill. So we can see the imprint of human behavior on the nature also, right? So all these things are studied in the geography, which is the nature of geography, right? अब बेसिकली आपको समझ आ गया कि नेचर ऑफ ज्योग्राफी है क्या, है ना, हमने इसमें क्या पढ़ा। तो हमें ये भी तो पता होना चाहिए, जैसे कि हमने एलेक्सी सैम्पल का अभी डेफिनेशन देखा कि आवर अर्थ इज कीप ऑन चेंजिंग, द अनरेस्टिंग मैन, द रिलेशनशिप इज गोइंग ऑन चेंजिंग, है ना, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ चेंजिंग वी फेसेस इन द अर्थ on the earth surface we studied in the demonstrator, but in this section we will study what type of changes in the human societies are going on from the past to the current time, right? So the three concepts, basically three concepts we will learn, that is known as naturalization. Our next concept is naturalization of humans and humanization of nature. अभी जैसे हमने इसकी नेचर ऑफ ज्योग्राफी में मैंने आपको बताया कि हम पूरी तरह से पहले किस पर डिपेंडेंट थे, नेचर पर, लेकिन जैसे जैसे हमने नेचर को थ्रू द टेक्नोलॉजी और स्किल यूज करना शुरू किया, हमने नेचर को अपने कंट्रोल में करना शुरू कर दिया, ठीक। सो वी वर इन द स्टेट ऑफ द नेचुरलाइजेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड नाउ वी आर इन द स्टेट ऑफ ह्यूमनाइजेशन ऑफ नेचर। हाउ दिस प्रोसेस इज गोइंग, राइट। तो इस प्रोसेस के जाने में हमारे कितने कंसेप्ट हैं। फर्स्ट इज आ जाता है हमारा नेचुरलाइजेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन, which is considered as a first stage, right, जिसे हम एनवायरमेंटल डिटर्मिनिज्म भी कहते हैं। This was the first situation, right? Second is possibilism. Third is humanization of nature. We go through with the changing process by these three concepts: naturalization of human, possibilism, humanization of nature. Between these two concepts, there is one more new concept that is known as neo-determinism. Right? So we will go through one by one in detail. First is naturalization of human. What was it? It is also known as environmental determinism. It was the situation of the primitive society, means early man situation. Early man की story आप सभी ने पढ़ी होगी। Early men कैसी life live करते थे? They lived in the caves. They wear the leaves. ना? They eat whatever they found in the forests. Every sphere of their life is dependent on the nature. Nature which provides, they take. Nature जो देती थी उन्हें वो ले लेते। They do not have any technology, they do not have any skill, they do not know how to grow, they do not know how to cook the food, they do not know how to make the buildings or the houses. They are totally dependent upon the nature. So the basic thing about this concept is human beings are totally dependent depends upon the nature. Second, as the nature dictates, they follow. जैसे नेचर उनको कहती थी उनको उसको फॉलो करना बिकॉज दे डू नॉट नो about the rules or the laws of the earth surface. So as the nature dictates, they have to follow, right? So nature makes furious to them and they make the nature as a god. अब क्या हुआ कि कभी लाइटनिंग हुई तो वो डर गए क्यों आकाश में ऐसी लाइटनिंग क्यों हो रही है कभी फ्लड्स आए दे मेक स्कैटर्ड ड्रॉट्स आ गए दे डोंट नो व्हाई दिस इज हैपेंड सो नेचर मेक्स क्यूरियस टू देम उनको बहुत ज्यादा जो है डर लगता था जब कभी बाढ़ आ जाती थी कभी बहुत सनशाइन हो रहा है कभी तेज बारिश चल रही है तेज हवाएं चल रही हैं तो वो चीजें जो है उनको डरा देती थी एंड व्हाट दे मेक द नेचर एज अ गॉड जब कभी बारिश आई तो उसको इंद्र देव बना दिया और उसकी पूजा करने लगे सो नेक्स्ट इज दे वर्शिप द नेचर they began to worship the nature उन्होंने नेचर की पूजा करना शुरू कर दिया हर चीज को जो है गॉड या गॉडेस का रूप दे दिया रिवर्स जो है उनको जो है गॉडेस का रूप दे दिया ठीक सन जो है उनको एक गॉड बना दिया तो जिस चीज से उनको डर लगने लगा उन्होंने उसे किसकी फॉर्म में चेंज कर दिया गॉड और गॉडेस की फॉर्म में चेंज कर दिया सो एवरी स्फीयर ऑफ लाइफ इन दिस सिचुएशन every note down these points every sphere of their life is was totally dependent of nature and this situation is known as naturalization of human. Now you are able to got the point behind the naturalization of human. When the human is in the control of nature, right? तो इस सिचुएशन को जहां पर जो टोटली जो है कंट्रोल किसका था नेचर का उस चीज को हम क्या कहते हैं नेचुरलाइजेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन बिकॉज द नेचर इज डिटरमाइनिंग आवर लाइफ सो दैट कंसेप्ट इज आल्सो नोन एज एनवायरमेंटल डिटर्मिनिज्म nature had the control on human beings and human beings were totally depend upon nature so that's why the nature is known as the they give the name to the nature as मदर नेचर।